Hi, I'm Sarah Ezekiel and I've had motor neuron disease for 14 years. I'm severely disabled and totally dependent on others for everything. Not fun. I challenge Hector Minto, Cat Smith and Sean McCormack to do the Ice Bucket Challenge. I'm donating £500 from my gaze artists to the MND Association in memory of everyone who has lost their lives to motor neuron disease. I'm only wearing this t-shirt and Chanel No. 5. Let's go.